Good morning, guys. It's extremely early. I got Erica to get up and go on her first wood duck hunt with me. John's not going. It's just gonna be me and Erica. So she's gonna be filming. I'm gonna have the GoPro on, and hopefully we're gonna get out there and kill some ducks. But we got a long ride ahead of us, so I'll pick you up whenever we get out there. All right, y'all. We out here in the duck hole. I just got the spread set out. Only got about, I think, a dozen decoys out, not too much. There was ice over the pond, so got the ice cleared out with the kayak, and now we wait. We got about an hour till shooting light, and hopefully they fly good. I'm gonna have y'all set up on a tripod, and then I'm gonna have the GoPro on my head, so we should have some good footage. Oh, my hands are so cold. Oh, right here, right here, right here. Dang! Missed every single one of them birds. Son of a gun.
Say cheese.
Oh, my hands are so cold. Oh, right here, right here.
Well, you look good doing it.
Oh, my hands are so cold I can barely load my gun.
Oh. They're flying. Ah.
You gotta be kidding me. Oh, that bird should have been dead. My gun freaking jammed on me.
Well, guys, good morning. It is about 5:30ish out here, and this morning we are getting ready to go for a duck hunt. Me, my dad, and Seth, and we're all just about ready. As you can see, it's still pitch black dark behind me. One of the worst things about duck hunting, you gotta be up pretty early. So, yeah, that kind of sucks. It's just a little bit. But sorry I haven't been able to get you guys a video out. I've been sick, a little under the weather here recently. So we're gonna try and make this one a good one for y'all. I will catch y'all in the duck hole. Well, guys, we're out here, me and Seth.
We at you.
And we just got out the truck, getting ready. So, I'm gonna throw you guys up here on the GoPro, and we're gonna get back here for the hole.
You can use mine.
Fucking unreal.
I'm telling you, I've got like 2.5 boxes worth on me right now.
Fucking shit.
I'll get you to grab the mojo, but fuck you. Oh, Lord. Ooh. Ooh. I got the gun. We're good. Man, this is... Shoot that bird, Seth. Shoot that bird.
He's dead, boys.
Oh, yeah.
That's a Drake.
Dude, he looked real
Drake
pretty
Woody.
coming in.
Where the hell did you see him at?
He landed
Dude.
on the water. Yeah, he's dead. I won't record you.
Alrighty, well, I guess I'm gonna come with you. Let's see what Papa doing. Oh! There's a hole. Flooded.
That's where I was sitting there with Johnny. Before shooting right anyway.
Your dad does
All
have.
them birds when me and Eric were hunting were swinging right here. You could have killed every single one of them. They swung right here every time. It was twos
The
and
one I
threes
shot
and
at, hell,
ones.
I was standing here like this looking.
I didn't even see that bird.
And then
Me
I turned
neither.
around, I was like, fuck, there goes a bird.
I didn't even see that, Jake.
Fox was on camera at 5:55, just behind the house.
Might have been what we heard.
Oh, behind the house.
Let's go look at the swamp now.
I was gonna.
Well, guys, as you can see, I don't no longer have a hat on. My hat and my GoPro is sitting down here on the boat because we had 2 mallards come by, and it's rare you see a mallard back up in here. And
Yeah, we kind of freaked out.
yeah, we kind of freaked out, started shooting, and my hat and GoPro fell off my head in the water. Good thing my brand new GoPro is waterproof, but it didn't get a bird other than the one wood duck, which I'm not complaining about. He's a pretty wood duck. He's real pretty, laying down right there. But
Man, it was nice being able to
It's-
hunt without my gloves on today. Not even worried about my fingers about to fall.
well, guys, it's never a sad day out here. It's a sad day today because this is probably the last hunt of the season.
I don't know.
But just
I
look
might
at this beautiful
stay
swamp.
Might stay in. We might have to hunt tomorrow.
This
too.
is pretty. Oh, well, good news. We might hunt tomorrow too.
We might
But
have to.
right now we're gonna head on out of here,
There's mallards.
and I will catch you guys later. Well, everybody, I'm laid here in the bed. I got Zeus right here beside me, but I'm sorry that we didn't really kill any birds in this video. Late season hunting, my wood duck hole is pretty bad, and that's like the only place we got to duck hunt. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you come back and watch the videos. And I will catch you guys on the next one.